you know that you can charge your phone with this right here? This little piece of wood has a lot more energy than most people realize. But you're not going to do it like that.
Like this.
We've got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go inside an offline power plant,
Where we're going to be publishing one video per week.
going into each of the individual systems, giving you a first-hand account on what it takes to turn waste wood like this into electricity.
With us, we've got If you're ready to see the inner workings of a power plant, please hit that like and subscribe button and follow our channel.
Come with us on this once-in-a-lifetime journey, and hopefully you'll learn something.
With us, we've got
Let's move. Yeah, that's good.
Woo!
All right.